everyone, this is Taylor direct from Fanera Cosmetics Academy. Today I will be showing you guys how to make your shellac last longer. These nails have heavily been damaged. 2 out of these actually have the Flexi Gel, so this one right here and this one right here. On this hand we've got this nail here and this nail here, and we can clearly see that the Flexi base was a lot stronger than the shellac base. So I'm going to go ahead and soak these off to see if there is a difference in the soaking time. Okay guys, so it's been 7 minutes now, and I've included the shellac base because some of you will be asking which base of shellac I use, and I use the original one. And on my left hand side I have the Flexi Gel, which is the base that I use right now. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, alright. Sorry. So I did say the shellac base, but this is the shellac top. And why I'm mentioning this is that the original is supposed to take a little longer to soak off than their express version. Okay, so this seems to be coming out pretty nicely, after 7 minutes. Wow. So this finger here that I'm doing is with the Flexi base. This is a shellac base. Flexi. I'm using this spoon shape tool here. I love it. It looks great. This type of job. Ideally, I like to keep these nice and wet, because once it dries up again, it's that much harder to remove. So this is another shellac. Alright, so there you have it. The shellac has been removed. And obviously there was no difference between removing a shellac base or a Flexi base, which is good news because you want to have better adherence and longer lasting nails, but you don't necessarily want it to be harder to remove either. So thanks for tuning in, and stand by for more great videos.